Hi, this film's about succeeding at school or university and specifically navigating the challenges of university life. Hi, I'm Trevor. This is First Class University. Thanks for tuning in. So, high school versus university, it's a totally new world, right? It's a new playing field. You're more independent learner. You're in the driving seat. You'll be facing an increased workload. You'll be thinking about time management and how to do that. You'll also find that there's a diverse range of learning styles on offer. So you need to find out what works for you. And perhaps the professors and teaching staff at university have higher expectations of you and treat you more like an adult than you have been at school. So, what you need to do is study smarter, not study harder. So, things like here, active reading, firstly. So, actively engage with the material that you're reading. So, things like underlining things, highlighting things that are important when you read them. Take strategic notes. Don't try and repeat and record everything that somebody is talking about, but instead capture the key concepts, the key ideas that come out of that conversation. Think carefully about your time management. So start using schedules to plan your study time effectively. And practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. So utilize practice tests and quizzes that your professors and teachers give you to get ready for exams and assignments, and find your zone. Where do you work best? Identify that optimal study environment. And remember, you're not alone. There's loads of support out there at the university that you're studying in. So, for example, academic advisors, they can quite often give you quite personalized guidance on things like how to reference, how to write in an academic way that could be quite new and challenging for you. There might be tutoring centres or departments set up to help you with challenging subjects. There might be offers of extra help on things like maths or academic writing, those sort of things. Don't forget there's library resources out there, a vast array of information and study spaces that maybe you can go and find a space in the library, for example, away from the crowds and the noise of everyday life. Check out your professor's office hours and make sure that any questions that you have in your mind, you ask your professors and teaching staff to help you with that. Find out how your professor wants you to communicate with them most effectively. For example, professors are busy people. They're teaching, they're in meetings, they're doing research, they're working in companies sometimes. So perhaps it's more effective, instead of knocking on an empty office door, to actually send them an email and get feedback that way. So ask them what is the best way to communicate and ask them questions. Of course, you have the opportunity to ask questions in lectures and other classes, perhaps as well. Perhaps you can form and collaborate with your peers and form study groups. Quite often, your peers will be grappling with the same sort of questions and challenges that you are. So they quite often understand the problems that you're facing. Don't be afraid to ask. Identify the challenges early. Address those problems before they become huge mountains that you have to climb. So be proactive. Communicate with the academic staff and other members of university staff that can help you. And use those support services that are available to you. Meanwhile, build a support network, connect with your classmates, build new friends networks, and join clubs and societies and sports that can help you when you're in need of that help. And most importantly, embrace the challenge to achieve your goals at university. It's a great opportunity. It is a challenge. University courses aren't easy, but they are really, really rewarding. So utilize the effective study habits that I've outlined. Seek help when you need to, and take advantage of all those gorgeous resources that are available to you at your university, and you can really overcome those academic obstacles and achieve your academic goals. Thanks for watching. If you've liked this film, please click like and subscribe to the First Class University channel that you've been watching. Thanks very much. I'm Trevor. Thanks for tuning in. Bye now.